we are kind of like in the middle of this right now. What happened was yesterday we went out drifting and my clutch just started giving out completely. So I don't know what happened, but luckily one of my good friends, Manny, came through today, gave me his old clutch, so I swapped it out right now. So that's why I'm kind of like this. Yeah. Though we got brake lines, so what that means is we are gonna go and try to do that hard lines to the T and continue part 2, the dual calipers. Unfortunately, we are not gonna do the hydro. We're just gonna run the lines today. So yeah, I'm just gonna connect the lines basically, drill the T into the tunnel right there, by the center console, and then I'm just gonna run the line, and then that's it. Yeah, that's basically gonna be it. But yeah, we got brake lines, we also have fittings and the T, so that should be it. We'll see how things go right now. But guys, bear with me, I'm kind of tired right now. You know, got off work, came over here, started working on that, and yeah, and it's just me and no one else. So yeah, I was doing that with myself, so bear with me. So let's get started, guys. Alright, let's go. Oh guys, so as you can see, one is done. I like how this goes here. I mean, you know, it kind of covers it, helps it out, so you know, you get that cover here. But yeah, as you guys saw, like, I tried sitting, see if this really bent or anything, but no, seems to be holding good. So get on with the next one. Then we just gotta run the front one and we're all set, guys. Alright, check in a bit, alright? Alrighty guys, so it's kind of hard to see, but that's done right now. Now we just gotta take off the center console, put in the main line, which is that one. Essentially I want to have the hydro right here, you know, kind of like in an angle, so we gotta run the line in here. So guys, bear with me, battery's kind of low on the GoPro, so I'm gonna charge it for a little bit, and you guys might not get to see this, but you guys get the idea. But I will show you the end result hopefully by then. If not, I'll give you a little tour on how this happened. But yeah, guys, keep watching, we'll see how this goes. But so far it's going really well. All right. Alright, so I think we're done for today. Like you guys saw, we did the lines. Lines are good, lines are done. Literally all that we need to do is actually get the mounting plaque, bracket, whatever you guys want to call it, for the hydro. Then after that, just mount the hydro, bleed the lines, call it a day. But you guys, to you guys it's gonna be like 2 seconds. For me it might be a couple of days until I get that bracket, plaque, whatever you guys want to call it again. So for you guys it's literally gonna be the next 2 seconds. For me it's gonna be a couple of days, but we're gonna stay tuned, so keep watching, I guess. Making this so awkward. Anyways, guys, but just keep watching, so you guys can see how we're gonna mount the hydro, how we're gonna weld it. Again, we're gonna visit my friend Paco. Paco's gonna just do a nice quick little weld on it, so that way we can mount it and then bleed the lines. And then honestly, I'm really trying to get this done before April 2nd, so that way I can drift it that day. But we won't know until the day of, so this video might be a little delayed, but if there's a clip at the end with me and the hydro, yeah, it worked out. But if it didn't, you know, I'll keep you guys posted. But right now, thanks for watching, stay tuned, it's gonna be a next day. Bye. What's up guys, we are back at it again. Like I said, for you guys it's literally seconds. For me it's been a couple of days, roughly like a week. So Paco's already starting on the welds. You guys are going to see short clips on that. We are just trying to get it done as quickly as possible. We're kind of short on time because I got to go to work in a bit. So all we're trying to do is just put the mount on, weld it, and then just have the whole hydro welded on there. Later on, you know, we'll end up bleeding it, but essentially you guys are going to get the idea. I'm going to see if I can put a finishing product on this video, just a little quick picture, but if not, you know, we'll get to it. We got it done. Paco's coming this way if you guys want to look at him. Look at that man. That's a sexy man right there. But we are basically done, guys. I know I didn't get a lot of clips, but basically I'm going to be showing you guys you know, the end product. We did finish it. We did finish welding it. As you guys can see, Paco's still fucking distracting me. Woo!
For that trim.
Oh, thank you. So we got this little thing. So this is the end product, guys. It's basically done. The only thing is this little piece, so hopefully this sticks on there and just kind of holds it down. But yes, guys, we did finish it. As you guys saw the videos, Paco was welding it, and all we had to do was literally torque it down. Right now, we still haven't blooded or anything. We still got to do that, so we'll probably end up doing that next. You know, for me, it's gonna be a day or two, and then, you know, get you guys on the video. But as far as this, guys, we are done welding it. It's very, very clean. I like the look on it. You know, slick black. Very, 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 very clean. I trimmed out a little bit of the reservoirs here. E-brake even goes down. So, it's all good, guys. But keep in touch. We are gonna continue. Like I said, all we have to do is now bleed it. And guys, it looks like we're gonna have a hydro for 8 per second. So guys, stay tuned. We're gonna continue, right? What's up, guys? So we are back at it again. As you saw last video, we finished mounting it. Thank you again to Paco. We finished it. Now we are here with Ben.
How's it going?
We are basically he's gonna help me just bleed it out. Right now we've kind of started already. We just poured the liquid, so we're letting gravity do its thing. But let's check out the Z. Woo!
Oh man,
it's so clean and beautiful. Oh, it's getting dark. Yeah. Guys, let's check out the Z. Woo! Look at that kit. Very nice, very nice. So you got some angle on this thing. I'm starting to like the Z life. You want to trade for the 240 life?
no.
Ooh.
No.
So beautiful. Ooh, very nice, dude. I am loving the inside. So guys, we are right now letting it gravity bleed. This one was already coming out, as you can see from the stains. Right now we are doing the second one right now on this side. Oh, there you go, a couple of bubbles. So guys, I'm not gonna bore you with watching it come out, so you know, we're just gonna get to it. Benjamin went inside real quick right now, so once he gets back here, hopefully we could just start, you know, bleeding the whole system. Well, he pulls on it, let the air system out. So it shouldn't take much longer. So keep watching, guys. Thank you. What's up, guys? It's early in the morning. What time is it?
Guys, it's 3:57.
It's early to me. I've been sleeping all day. We've been trying to figure this out. So with me and Ben, we couldn't get it whatsoever. Like, we took it for a test drive and the thing would just like go all the way down and it wouldn't even stop the car. So we knew we still had air bubbles inside. We bench bleed it and now it's starting to feel better. So now I got my little sister Heidi here hiding, you know. But yeah, she's gonna be helping me out. You know, it's 3 what? It's 3 what? 4. It's 4 o'clock, guys, but it's morning to me. So guys, she's gonna help me pump it again. starting to feel better now. It locks up a little bit better now, but it still want that full lock, so just gotta bleed it out a little bit more. Ooh, look at Tiny. I don't know if you guys knew, but my mom has this Great Dane. But yeah, guys, we're gonna get to it. So, let's go. Guys, it is done. We finished it way tighter.
That's what she said. Michael.
I'm waiting for it. Say it. Anyways, guys, we are set for April 2nd. Again, comment me, message me if you guys want to go. We can meet up somewhere. I know there's a couple of people going, so we're all trying to just meet at one spot and then just take a cruise down there. So guys, let me know if you guys are wanting to go. Again, it's in Wisconsin, Great Lake Dragway. It's like 30-minute drive after Six Flags, so give or take like an hour and a half. But guys, it's free day for spectators. So you guys just literally go in. I'm the only one that pays, and then you guys can ride along with me. I have extra helmets, so don't worry about that, and you guys will be all set. All right, so guys, this is it. Hydro / dual caliper video is done. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye. That's a sexy man right there. Woo!
Call me Puppy.
Ooh. You guys heard him calling Poppy from now on. Alright, Poppy? So, guys, this is gonna be his build. Let's see if we can get over here. Guys, this is his car. Gonna hear this thing start. Paco's been working on this for a minute now. RB20 basically. He's literally blocking everything. Just rebuilt the whole thing. Rookie has moved.